Unraveling the Mystery of Crossbreed, a Guide to Understanding. Hello, dear language enthusiasts. Today, we're going to explore an intriguing term that you might have come across, crossbreed. It's a word that not only connects to the language but also to the fascinating world of genetics. So, if you're ready to expand your vocabulary and understanding, let's dive into the meaning and usage of crossbreed. At its core, the term crossbreed refers to the offspring produced as a result of the breeding between two different species, breeds, or varieties. It's a noun, like, the crossbreed of a lion and tiger is called a liger. But it can also function as a verb, as in, farmers often crossbreed plants to develop new varieties. In everyday language, crossbreed is often related to animals and plants, but it can also metaphorically refer to anything that is a mixture or blend of two different things. For example, this car is a crossbreed between a sports car and a luxury sedan. The word crossbreed comes from the combination of cross, meaning a mixture or hybrid, and breed, which refers to the act of reproducing or the lineage of a certain species. It's interesting to note that this term has been used in agricultural and scientific communities for many years, but it's now widely accepted in general use to describe any sort of hybridization or combination. To truly grasp the usage of crossbreed, let's look at some examples. Farmers crossbreed different types of corn to achieve a sweeter taste. A labradoodle is a crossbreed between a Labrador retriever and a poodle. The movie was a crossbreed of horror and comedy, creating a unique genre. Notice how crossbreed seamlessly describes the result or process of combining different elements. This versatility makes it a useful term in various contexts. Understanding the term crossbreed enhances your linguistic palette and allows you to describe the rich variety of blended elements in our world. We hope this video has shed light on this multifaceted term. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to exploring more fascinating aspects of the English language with you. Keep learning, and until next time, keep blending your curiosity with knowledge.